In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss about Dawn newspaper vocabulary. So the first one is dialectical. So dialectical is related to the logical discussion of ideas and opinions. Next one, narcissism. So it is excessive interest in or admiration of oneself and one's physical appearance. Next one, sanctity, the quality or state of being holy or inviolably. Next one, humili. So humili is sermon on a moral or religious topic. Next one, errata. So it is list of errors. Next one, fortuitous. So it is occurring by a happy chance. Next one, frenetic. So it is agitated. Next one, rotunda. So it is circular building is called a rotunda. Next one, surmise. So it is guess or hypothesis. Next one, contemplative. So the synonym of contemplative is deeply or seriously thoughtful. Next one, emolument. So its synonym is prophet. Next one, sporadic. So its synonym is irregular, non-continuous or stray. Next one, facade. So its synonym is frontal, the face or front of a building. Next one, asperity. So its synonym is a hardship. Next one, fecund. So the synonym of fecund is fertile, intellectually productive. Next one, crucifixion. So it is execution. Next one, drizzle. Its synonym is sprinkle. Next one, sundry. So heterogeneous. Next one, knack, ability. Next one, escarpment. So its synonym is embankment or barricade. Next one, accolade. So its synonym is honor, award. Next one, fiasco. Fiasco is debacle, embarrassing failure. Next one, mano a mano. So hand to hand. Next one, prolix, to prolong something. Next one, wheedle, cajole. Next one, scrumptious. So scrumptious is extremely pleasing to the sense of taste. Next one, cameo. So cameo synonym is minor role. And next one, gaunt. Gaunt mean bony. And the last one is sham. So its synonym is fake. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Downtimes. Stay tuned with us for more videos and updates. Thank you.